everybody, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Sap. I have cooked my chicken, and now I'm doing the second step to my recipe. These are my tomatoes, grape seed tomatoes that I have cut in half. I'm just gonna let them cook. I'm gonna season them a little bit. We're gonna season them a little bit with a little Maggi Holo seasoned chicken flavor. Get some flavor here. Let them cook a little bit. I'm trying to make this video long, you guys. I'm trying not to make it long. But these are my tomatoes. Let them cook. This is how my chicken looks that I seared. I'm gonna put that back in the pan in a little bit. So let them cook a little bit. I'm gonna try to keep this video up under 5 minutes. I'm gonna try. I think it's gonna take longer than that, really. Because these tomatoes have to get soft. And these are my spinach, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in there. Let them wither up. That's again a little bit of flavor. I put a little Maggi Holo season up in there. I'm going to make a cream cheese sauce, so I don't want to put too much salt in it. You know, I don't want flavors going crazy up in here. So, let that wither down. I'm tired, y'all. I'm on night shift. I just got off work. 12-hour shift. So, I've been up 14 hours. After this, I'm going to take me a shower and be out. But I want to cook this before I go to sleep. Alright, so let that cook right quick. I might have to make 3 parts to this video. Yeah, because this is on 3 minutes. Yeah, and these tomatoes, they still hard. You want to cook them babies down. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you. I can let it boil. I can let it cook. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and I use a total of 1 tablespoon of Maggi Holo seasoning, 1 pack of 5-ounce spinach, and 1 pack of small grape tomatoes. I cut them in half. I'm going to use I'm going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay. And I'm going to use, let's see, there's a cooking, she don't really measure anything. I don't, but I'm doing this so y'all can see. I'm using 1 cup of Italian, I'm going to use 2 cups of Italian style cheese. Alright. Of course, I'm going to use a more Maggi seasoning, I think. I'm going to stir this up right quick. And make a nice sauce. You guys This is gonna be the bomb. I wish you can taste it, honey. Sap knows what she be doing over here in this kitchen. I can cook. I wish all my 600 subscribers could taste my food. Maybe one day it might happen. Might have a meet and greet book signing. And have some sample of my food you guys can taste. That'll be awesome. Meet the lady behind the camera. That'll be so cool, right? Yep. Let me see. That's perfect season because, you know, my chicken got some seasoning on it. So I don't want to make it too salty, you guys. Because, you know, cheese is salty. And my chicken is salty. So you don't want to make the stuff too salty. Be a hot mess. This is gonna be good. So they're gonna have this right here, some chicken Tuscan with some broccoli. I'm not broccoli. Some corn on the cob. So yep, y'all. This is my little dish. And I'm gonna come back to show you the end results. Like, comment, and subscribe. So I just put you on how to do it. But this is gonna take a little minute to cook because my tomatoes got to get soft. So I'll come back to show you the end results. Like, comment, and subscribe. Cooking with Sap.